Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can apply the camera bounce effect to your photo in CapCut. So here I've already imported a photo to CapCut, and the camera bounce effect can only be applied to photos. So if you want to use that, you can just add your photo and then click on it, go to style. Then in here, just swipe until you find the camera bounce effect. Just click on the effect and wait for it to apply to your photo. And just like that, you can just click on a check icon, then the effect will be applied like this. Okay, so that's a simple tutorial from me. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, click on the thanks button, and also comment if you have any question. Bye.